I know that Mickey Jagtiani has said that landmark sales increased by 25%. Is that growth story going to continue this year?
Well, yes, it's going to be 20% plus. We're looking at 22 to 25% growth this year, so it will continue this year.
And that's growth on last year, is it?
That's growth on last year.
And where are we seeing that coming from? Is it from in the UAE or outside?
A lot of the growth is coming out of Saudi Arabia. We're going into new markets like Egypt. We've recently opened Lebanon. And the new territories are going to contribute to the increase in business.
Do you think that we're seeing more people pushing towards kind of mid-range brands in this region, whereas perhaps a couple of years ago that wasn't the case?
Well, I don't think that's not been the case a couple of years ago, but yes, in the last couple of years people have pushed towards mid-market purchases or mid-market retailers. But I think the market's coming back now, and we are seeing some positive signs, which is good.
You're going on a huge expansion drive next year. I know that you've got $1 billion waiting for acquisitions. Can you give me any idea as to what we can expect from the Landmark Group?
Well, there are expansion plans, but the expansion plans are the deployment has yet got to be seen. We don't have a fixed target that we're going to deploy our resources on, but as and when a good target comes along, like Fitness First did or Carluccio's did, we would give it a good look and see how we can invest money in the company.
So is that going to be more more restaurant-based than retail-based, do you think?
Well, our 95% of our business comes out of retail, and hospitality is very, very new. So I think if you're going to grow hospitality, it'll probably be in the hospitality field rather than the retail field, because that's got capacity to take in much more.
Can you give me any ideas as to which companies you've got your eyes on?
Well, as I said, till something fructifies, we don't have an obligation or we don't have a right to expose the name. But we don't have any name right now. We're looking at a number.
Presumably with the economic downturn, you're in a prime position, you've got money in the bank. Are you going to snap up some bargains, do you think? Are there still bargains out there?
I think there are a few bargains out there. I mean, it's a good time to buy. Any banker would tell you that there are opportunities out there. It's a good time to buy, and we're looking.